Two.
You took it off?
I know how to do it.
I spent all that time getting all your fingers in the other one. Ah.
It's raining. It's freezing.
Guys, walking down here,
But they still found their way outside.
really moving fast.
I want something savory. Big thing this morning was
Not
sweet. You know what I'm saying?
You need help, Salem? Finding gloves. Let me help you. Good pictures, Gabriella. You took a picture. So proud of you.
I put more bread in the
These
oven.
are the best holiday marshmallows
Mama, can you get these boots on me?
You ever
on
had.
planet
Get them out.
Earth.
No?
I mean,
No.
chocolate,
That campsite is not a mud
white chocolate. I have no idea.
Mama,
Peppermint.
that campsite is not a mudslide.
Which, babe,
Oh.
you have to give context. You're not a peppermint person.
Oh my word.
Can you get these on?
I don't, this is just unbelievable.
That is
I'm
not
saying, so if you're not a peppermint person, you think that
salt.
I'm usually pretty good at it.
This is, I don't like peppermint. I don't not like peppermint.
Hold on, excuse me. Speak into the mic, sir.
Peppermint is
Please let me hear this.
not my go-to.
Documented. What did you say about those marshmallows?
But let me tell you, these marshmallows are the closest thing to the greatest dessert on planet Earth.
Okay, what are you guys doing?
Going out, soaked in the rain, and then getting hypothermia on our feet.
It's raining here. I think it's 40 degrees probably.
It's less, and we're wearing no shoes or gloves playing.
Playing in the rain in snowsuits. And the gigantic mud puddles that have formed in the front yard. You guys are
huge.
you're-
It's that deep. It's
you're
a pool.
sloshing in the pool of ice. So you're doing a polar plunge.
I'm going to demo this. Wow.
No, that's a fun tent. Don't demo the tent.
Can you believe it?
Yes. Yes.
Look at my
That
ultimate.
is so fun. This was such a nice treat that she dropped off for crafting
My snow wing.
on this soppy, soaking. I mean, the whole
Yard is a puddle.
yard is one gigantic puddle.
I can't believe our campsite, Mama, but it's not a mudslide at all.
Well,
You
that's
touched the
good.
dirt, Mama. You touched the
Yes, I
dirt.
can glue it.
You touched the dirt.
Got me tweezers?
That-
Let's try and fix this little tree here. Yeah, his wasn't working because of the glue, and so he had his snow all over the place. Turn it the other way so I can see the truck. Ah, that is so awesome! It worked out. I love it.
Even more weird.
Darren was just telling me how weird I am.
That's not true. I said I'm the weird one because I had to be married to you.
Okay, you're actually saying what you said. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. Don't misquote me. What are you, the press?
Ah. Nice lunch. Little ornament making. They're all gone. Mercy, what do you think? Just you and Mom and Dada. Yeah. bumper cars. Dada's eating his lunch here in the corner of the kitchen.
I didn't eat it in the crawl space in the house.
Boy, you're just on a roll. Zing.
I'm joking.
Rosemary sourdough bread dipped in oil. We were gonna do something else for lunch, but Dada's just making it easy.
Would you like to pour me a glass of wine?
No,
Too early. 35 more minutes.
you're so ridiculous. Something is wrong with him.
Just put all those mangoes and stuff in this one.
Yeah, I want to.
Did you see if you have meat in this one?
What?
Is there meat in this one?
I don't know. Wait, I don't know yet.
These things I don't have to spit out. I just don't have the space for them.
No, it's also winter, so. Hey, Adeline, please. No, I cannot help you. No?
Ah!
You got it? Okay, flip it. There. Gabriella, you did it so awesome! Okay, thankfully,
We don't need those ice cubes.
Darren helped me with this organization of this
Are
freezer.
you drinking in there?
Why didn't we take it before?
I'm putting it in the key.
You guys built a tent?
Yeah. Guys, what are you doing in here? Peeling apples?
That's a tent right there.
Beds.
That's the tent of meetings right there, guys.
So it's a trash can. Look at my trash can.
I know. Nice. Nice. Trash can. Got some snacks. Got some twinkly lights.
I have a bed in there.
Got some pretend restaurant going on.
Nice,
and a
guys.
cooler.
Dada,
Very awesome.
Oh, if we've taught them one thing, we've taught them how to eat.
look.
Let me help you up, madam.
No, I was asking for your, I was asking for your
Down the chimney. Look, Mama, I'm on the chimney. My beds. They're a bit messy. I need to fix them up.
Are you kidding? Those look absolutely wonderful. And you've got twinkly lights. They don't look messy to me at all. They look absolutely like the coziest Snoopy beds I've ever seen. And the twinkly lights just...
I can fit 5 people in now.
This is the best kind of
Salem, that'll make a fire.
situation I've ever seen.
Will that make a fire? Yeah, if you...
No. Well, yeah, if you swung from it, it could take it out of the ceiling.
And
but
then
no, you're okay. You're okay. You guys are, this is one awesome setup.
Don't let me fall.
Yeah, don't touch those. Those you've got to leave there. Okay.
Is this a good knife to use? Mama? Come on.
Yeah.
We baking, girl?
Trying to get dinner
Oh, we're
prepped.
starting
and then-
dinner.
No, I'm just putting it so y'all can bake.
Okay, what's for dinner?
Well, it was gonna be curry and rice because I wanted something cozy because it's rained all day and it's freezing. But it's 4:30. I have not made any of that,
Dad, I need it back.
so I don't know.
Well, we got chicken. That's a good start.
This is Aaron's love language.
And we have...
I mean, I thought, well, I could still make rice, salad, just eat.
Why don't you marinate that chicken for tomorrow? I hear you,
I mean, they've
baby.
eaten fruit. And
I hear you, baby.
all day.
Would you marinate that chicken for tomorrow? I'll make quesadillas and you'll cook some beans and rice.
Okay, that's good. I like that.
All right, sounds good.
Well,
No?
but I never really marinate it. Why don't I just make this and then make no rice, just make black beans, chicken, and quesadillas. So you do the quesadillas, I'll throw the back. This just goes in the oven. Yeah.
So you're gonna season it with the
Yeah.
taco type seasoning,
Which
or
is
just regular
garlic,
chicken?
onion, salt, it just crispy. So that's what I season my beans with all the time.
Yeah.
Garlic, onion, salt.
Okay. So that'll be a lot of chicken for.
Well, 2, 4, 6, so 12. And there's 7 of us that eat, and everyone eats.
All right, I'll make quesadillas. You make the chicken and rice.
I'm not making rice.
Oh, chicken and beans.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
yeah.
Okay, good.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Clips of us riding a bunch of horses.
Guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but my kids turn everything in this house into a horse.
Even a pot. Even a crescent roll thing. Even a wooden spoon. I have a pot. Or a table. Just don't use our ideas at your own house. Because you might just get really hurt. Yeah.
That's the real horse. They ride. There's
Yeah.
hats. Everything in this house. Even the children.
Is a horse. Yeah, we put real horse hole toys on our necks, and then we lead them with reins.
Guys, don't try this at home, okay?
Yeah, it's not safe. We have got hurt a million times. I wanted a cooking job.
You are going to get a cooking job. You're going to
Clean up
dust a
before
lemon
dinner.
for me.
No, she wants to do a stove job. That's
Well, there's no room at the stove right now. Is this the one that's been sitting out?
yeah, that's what he got.
No flour. We don't need flour for
What
anything.
are you making, Cameron?
Sauce, strawberry sauce.
Nice.
Okay, Allegra, go get a lemon, wash it, and I'm going to have you zest it with a zester.
Lemon.
What are you doing, Addie?
Opening crescent rolls, then cutting them and putting them on a baking pan. And then with the flat side all towards me and the triangles way, then I press them down to connect them all. And I put cream cheese, strawberries, and strawberry jam.
Sweet.
So we're making our own strawberry jam. We're making our own strawberry sauce.
Little drummer boy.
So we're not putting strawberries and strawberry jam. She said you don't want to squish the raspberries or strawberries. Mama?
So we're not using raspberries. We're going to use strawberries.
Well, you don't want to squish them. Why are you going to put sugar in this one?
Yeah. You can go get the sugar. Did you wash this? Wonderful. Okay.
Listen.
Do you remember when Natasha, just a moment, do you remember when Natasha grated a lemon and she said only grate the yellow part, not the white, because the pith is the white and it's bitter. You know what bitter means?
It's not.
Bitter means you want to spit it out. It's not, it doesn't taste good, okay?
Okay.
So come here, you're gonna zest this.
Gabriella, what are you making? What is that?
I'm making the cream cheese.
You're making a cream cheese?
I'm making cream cheese.
You making a cream cheese?
Why?
Try it and see.
The white spot.
The
Okay.
white spot.
Mama likes to.
Let me see that tooth that went away, little girly. All gone.
Cream cheese and sugar and whiskey.
You want the eggs?
I need
Down
one
below.
over here for me and Salem, and the rest are in the fridge.
Dada.
Thank you for getting those for us.
So you gonna hold on to it now, or is it gonna break?
Go ahead and it needs to go in there.
Right.
Good job, ladies.
You want me to do
Good job.
I have to cut him now.
I'm stepping on star Play-Dohs. I guess we didn't get fully cleaned up here.
No.
No.
Stop here and let it drain. Give me a.
Mama, your hair. No, this.
Somebody go build with her. Salem, you did your cream cheese job. Go build now.
I would do the mesh one, Mama.
Addie, that is
not done.
beautiful. I know it's not done. Golly dang. It still looks beautiful.
I know what to use. I think this is what I would do.
Gotta get every stage of it, girl. The process is what's beautiful.
I would use this.
Once it's finished, it's just like, oh man, it's finished. What do we do now? Oh, you talk to Dada.
No, I don't.
You talk to Dada. The process is what's beautiful.
Sorry.
I got it. That's how Mama fell in love with me. She fell in love with the process.
That's so true.
Not the finished product. Everybody want to fall in love with the finished product. You don't get the finished product without going through the process.
That's just wisdom with
We
fruit.
go to the group. We get my back. That's why you're supposed
grass is greener where you water it. Hello.
Easy to say.
Talking to somebody out there. Huh?
All in one.
She tried to move it without me catching it first. I think she didn't do it right.
Yeah. That was my plan, but thanks for coming over here.
You're welcome.
That looks like a candy cane.
It's beautiful.
Okay, let's put it in the oven.
The process is not void of pressure, people. Okay? The process comes with pressure. You hear me, girl? So if you try to avoid the pressure, then you're avoiding the process, then you're not going to get the finished product. I know. I'm talking to somebody out there. Good job, Addie. You worked hard on that, and you stuck in there, and you persevered. I'm so proud of you. That wasn't easy. That wasn't like a recipe you're used to, and you can just do it, you know, la 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 la, just do it. Good job.
You guys have already tasted a lot.
Chapman, I'm going to go see the pig. No. Okay, I'm coming, Chapman. I'm coming.
Babe, this was a dinner time here today, folks. Holy smokes. Talk about the process. The process is also messy.
When does the hired house cleaner get here tonight?
Well, I work for free at your service.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
How fun is that? How cute.
All right, dear Lord, thank you for our food. Thank you for all the rain. Our well was dry. We have more water in it. Thank you for our family. Please give us. Please continue to lead us, lead our family. Give us the energy and the capacity to be able to handle the blessings that you've given us. Be with our kids. Please send your Spirit to teach and train them, as well as what we say, but please reinforce it in their hearts and their lives. As you said you would in your word, that the Holy Spirit will be their teacher. Thank you for everything you've blessed us with. Thank you for the Christmas holiday season where we can just rest. Thank you for the winter. Thank you for Caleb.
Okay, show me this design and then smile for a picture. Smile. Thank you for the diaper, Gabriella. Okay, tell me all about it. Is this a plow truck as well? That thing is awesome. That is so cool. Except you guys don't like plow trucks. Sorry, Addie.
Especially in the snow.
Yeah.
It's not snow, it's a concrete. I tried when I was little seeing the plow trucks. Literally, we just had fun time sledding on our, kind of
I know.
dead end road.
You guys would yell at them.
And then here comes the plow truck, and I cried. I'm so tiny though. I was little.
I know. There's nothing like snow. It's so magical.
And now we don't get snow here. It's the worst thing in the world. I'm going.